As a small business, we have struggles like most small businesses, right? And have some of the challenges that face anything from supply chain challenges to labor challenges to shortened lead times. So all of those types of things, along with trying to manage your cash flow while you're growing a business, can be challenging. One of the things that really helped us through some of those challenging times was the Small Business Administration. One of the nice things about and the things that I appreciate about the Small Business Administration is the way that they were able to help us in those challenging times as a small business, but some of the other programs that they've offered that we've taken advantage of that have helped support the responsible, sustainable growth of our company and help us to build something that lasts.
When you're in the rural area, it's hard. We don't have the large employee base to draw upon that, say, you get in an urban or a metro area. A lot of things in a rural area are actually more expensive than down in an urban area. And for manufacturing, that can be a bit of a burden as well. But we love it here in the rural area. We love what it does for our product, and the quality of people that we do get that themselves love the rural area.
And being part of the community.
And being part of the community. Those SBA loans have come at very, very critical times, and they've been there for us and helped us to grow. And in a rural setting, that kind of a boost is absolutely essential, and we are so grateful for what they have done for us.
They have provided programs like the 504 loan program that has helped us invest in long-term assets and also infrastructure to help support the growth of our business.
We found this building in Payson because we were leasing the place we were at, and we decided we wanted to be able to own it, be able to fix the place up and make it us.
Having the option to do the SBA loan truly is what made it possible to do this, because you didn't have to put down as much to make it happen. And so we could work with the resources we had to actually make this a reality.
Doing the loan process with SBA and with Mountain America was a game changer, because it really made us understand us. It really taught us more about us. It really helped us develop our own internal plan of our business and everything else, and make it fit us, and it made us really dig back and get a good view of who we really were and what we're doing. And so I'm really super grateful to those guys have just bent over backwards making it work.
I'd like to put a plug in for Zions Bank and Mountain America Credit Union. Both of them have helped provide SBA loans to us. We've had SBA loan where it was for operating and equipment needs, and that came at a really critical time. We had another one that subsidized a portion of a facility purchase, a building purchase.
And lines of credit.
And lines of credit. The lines of credit have been immeasurably beneficial to us.
In some of the challenging times that we face, like through COVID, programs like the EIDL and the PPP really provided some stability for our company. And not just for our business, but for our employees.
Because we were designated an essential business with our dietary supplements manufacturing, we were allowed to keep manufacturing.
The PPP absolutely kept our employees employed. It kept things moving forward. And because we were still manufacturing, and our product actually was, because it was a nutritional supplement, it's one segment of the economy that actually increased in sales. But the thing was, without the PPP, it would have been virtually impossible.
I think for the first 40 years, 50 years that we were in business, we didn't realize some of the programs, and we didn't realize that it was even an option. I really owe it to great partners in a bank and a local SBA group here in educating me on what tools the SBA has for small businesses. I'm grateful for the knowledge that I've gained, and for the partnership with the Small Business Administration and a wonderful bank that we work with as well.